Alright, been stuck on a ship for about 2 weeks. Finally got it. And since the factories are shut down because of the virus, I might as well do something constructive. That's what it looks like. We only made about a little over 3,000. I worked hard for this. The company paid for part of it. There's all the goodies. Alrighty, this is some really nice. It's a lot better made than those, but see it. I'm starting with my stand first. There's the light up marquee. And then there's the controller. So I decided to do the stand first since it's easier. But beautiful artwork. I like that. It's gonna fit well with those two, and then I got another one on the way. And then I got the big screen. Alright, there's, what's his name? Pickle Peter or something. Very nice, wow. The thing I don't like is this. But there's the other one. Alright. Time to get this ready now. Alright, kinda got ahead of myself, but it's gonna take shape. I gotta add in the screen. So let's start coming along. Once you get things built up, it goes faster because it's less parts you gotta find. Alrighty, got the marquee in. I got a couple visitors here. Right, decided to bust in. Let's take a look. Coming real good. There's the speaker. Coming real good. There's the screen. I hate these. It's coming to life. Let's see, gotta make sure it's in here. Really nice. Oh, you can see there's a speaker. It's underneath it. Yeah, one more coming. That's NBA Jam. Almost done. So you got the keyboard. Look at that. And the light. That beautiful. Did everything good. It's pretty sturdy. Put the wrong bolts in. That's got the thick one. Yeah. Pretty much did. Alright. The bolts outside. Like this thing look like. Alright. Sorry for the light. Isn't that neat?